When we are working, meeting with people, or even eating outside, we are exposing to the risk of virus transmission in every second. To add extra protection, this is what you need in your workplace and premises. LIV Acrylic Shield Divider is made with engineer-grade acrylic, which is PMMA. It has 92% light transmittance, so it can provide a clear vision to stay normal human interaction. It has excellent resistance against chemical, weathering, UV light as well. The maintenance is easy. Just clean with soap and clear water will do. LIV Shield Divider is designed for easy installation without the needs of any tools. To install, first, remove the protective film, attach the acrylic divider with the base, and finally, locate at the area you want to set. That's it. In short, LIV Shield Divider can effectively reduce the virus transmission, and it also helps to create a safer environment for you as well as your employees, customers, and visitors. We are offering 10% discount for first 100 customers. Ready stock is available in Shopee and our website. Click the link below to order now.